Time to take up the VEVOR tap and die set. So we do have our instructions, and with this we're mostly just looking at a part list. But I do appreciate the nice case, and we got all our taps on one side and all our dies on the other. So we do have two sizes of tap handles, we got two sizes of die handles. It does come with a screwdriver in case we need to tighten that down. Maybe we got oil all over our fingers. We do have my preferred style of tap handle. It's one of these little guys, just because they're nice and small and compact. So it's nice that they got all these different options in this set. So a ton of different sizes here. Looks like we got our metric on this side, and then we got our standard on that side. So we got from an M3 up to an M16, so quite a large size tap. And we got a number 440 up to a 5/8 18. That's impressive. Even with a large set, they usually only go up to a 1/2 inch, but this actually goes beyond that. We also have a 5/8 11, so we have both the coarse and the fine thread. For the dies, we got a similar thing going on. So we got our metric right here, we got our standard kind of in the middle, and then we've got our large sizes here on the top, metric and standard. And this also goes up to a 5/8 11, number 440, M3 up to an M16. That does have the M16 1.5 as well as the M16 2. That is the pitch of the thread. We do appear to have some thread checkers, so we got our SAE. We can use that for finding the thread pitch of whatever bolt that we're looking at, and that'll help us to determine the size that we need to tap. And we got our metric, and that is also labeled right there on the tool. We got two sides blades. We just match up that thread pattern. So here we got our largest size tap. We can see it is labeled M16 by 1.5. And if we wanted to use that, just grab our tap handle. That will spin that guy back. Make sure you grab the right side, because if you loosen up the other side, you'll actually just back out the threading on that holder. Thread that guy back in, and we drop in our tap and thread it back in. And we can see that we'll hold that in place. So that is our large guy. If we've got a smaller tap, that is of course going to have a smaller square. So then we would use our smaller tap handle. Same thing for our die handles. This one is going to have a thumb bolt on the side. You can use that to pull that guy out. And that is where we got that flat, where we can use that screwdriver if we need it. But I don't think we're going to need that. These are labeled even all the way down to the tiny M3, which is great, as well as on our dies. I do appreciate that everything is also labeled on the case. So in the event that we're missing one, we're going to know exactly which side should go back. And so here I've got a bolt. This is a 1/4 but we can always just make sure. The SAE gauge, all I'm going to do here is I'm going to match up those threads. You can see how I can kind of slide that across. That's no good. That's no good. No good. Sliding and no sliding. So you can see right there, that is a 20 pitch. So that is 20 threads per inch. And then to double confirm, got our caliper, 0.25 is a 1/4. And this is intended to be a little bit undersized because we don't want it to kind of like grind its way in. We want it to be slightly undersized. So that is a 1/4 20. 1/4 20 bolt. So this is what we want. We got a 1/4 and C 20. So the C is for coarse, and we can see that that does match up. So here we got our tap chart. So we are looking for a 1/4 20. So you can use a 13/64 drill or a number 7 or a .2010. We got our 13/64. Drop that guy in. And we should use cutting fluid on this, but I'm just tapping aluminum, so I'm not going to worry about it. Looks like I'm going to have to move this gap up a little bit. Take a little bit at a time, just because we don't want to break the tap. Taps are intentionally hardened, which makes them really good at cutting, but it also makes them more brittle. So if you impact with it, anything like that, then you can snap that tap. So we do have some pieces of aluminum on there. There you go. Threads right in, don't need to use any tools. That is a very nice thread. So overall, that is an excellent tap set.